how to edit videos with Descript, as well as use AI tools to edit the video. So first you want to open up your browser and head to Descript.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Now, if you do not have an account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up for an account. And once you've signed in, you can go to the home page and then go to the project section and then click on new project and choose video project. Now you'll simply need to upload your video file or drag and drop it right there to start uploading the video. And it will also start transcribing the video on the left side. You can also drag multiple videos and connect them together in the editor. But for this video, I'm just going to use a single file. And once it's finished uploading, you should see the transcript on the left side, which is this simple phrase right here, because it's a short video. Now on the right side, under AI tools, you should see these sound good features. So the most features that you will use is probably remove filler words, such as the word and stuff like that, or like, or words like that. So you can click on this and remove them all entirely from your transcript. You can also remove retakes, which should keep your best takes. You can also use shorten word gaps to remove random silences in your video. And the best thing about these features is you just have to click them and the AI had to figure out on its own what to do. You can also trim your video either from the timeline below, or you can simply adjust the transcript and it will remove that part of the video where that word or the transcript is happening, and that's very powerful. So you can simply select random poses in your video from the transcript and select them like that and press the delete button or the delete key to remove them. You can also correct words directly in the transcript by clicking on it and then right click to correct the word, click on correct and then type another word that is correct and then click correct, or you can click on correct all occurrences of the word or of the word. You can also add new words and assign them your voice. So you'll first need to train the AI to recognize your voice and replicate it. And then you can simply add new lines in the transcript and it will basically say it in your voice. Now, this feature is initially called overdub, which basically allows you to modify a part of the script or the video you're shooting where you made a mistake and you wanted to talk about something else. So instead of reshooting the entire scene, you would basically just change the line or the words that you want to change. And it will basically use overdub to replace the new words or say them again with your voice. It's a paid feature, and to use it you will need to assign a speaker to the scene. So you basically click on change speaker and create a new speaker, give it a name, so for example David, and create new speaker. And then you want to click on the word that you want to change and then click on regenerate and then click regenerate again. And now you should train the AI by talking or saying these words so it can replicate your voice and say that word again. Now once you finish reading that, you will need to submit it and wait for the AI to replicate your voice. Once it's done, you can simply play and hear it saying the words in your voice. Now another interesting feature is generating images in the editor. So you can simply click and prompt it to generate specific images, as well as creating clips or repurposing content. So you can simply take a long form video and using this AI tools, you can create clips from it and create highlight reels and stuff like that to break long format videos into short format clips. You can also add captions or subtitles to your long format video or short format video by going to the captions option on the right hand side on the menu. Click on it and choose a caption style that you want to display in your video. So for example, this one right here, the modern yellow, I'm going to click on it and wait for it to be applied. And once it's applied, you can basically click on it and adjust the position and the scale, as well as the font. And the font, whether you want it regular, medium, bold, and stuff like that. You can also adjust the size, and then you can adjust the color and the outline color. You can also give it effects such as shadow, blur, and grain, as well as animations for the in and out fades or transitions. And once you're done editing, you can simply press the play button and watch it output the captions or the subtitles while hovering the current word with yellow or whichever color you picked. And you can also expand the timeline by dragging it up like this. You can also drag other clips if you want to maybe overlay your face or something on top of the video. While there is captions playing, you can adjust the position, just like what you would do in a regular video editing software. And another very good feature offered by Descript is translating your video. Let's say you have a video originally in English. You can basically translate it to any language and redub it or use your voice. Like you can translate it to Italian while it's still talking and using your voice, using the AI or the speaker that we have created earlier. So you can simply go to AI tools and scroll all the way down till you see translate under repurpose. You can simply click on it and select the language you want to translate to. So for example, Polish. And then you can assign a dub speech by using the speaker we have trained earlier. And that will basically translate the transcript and regenerate the video talking with your voice in that language. And that's a very good feature, I think. And there is also a feature for the people making videos while they talk in front of a camera, which is this eye contact feature. This basically makes your eyes always making contact with the camera whenever your face is basically facing the camera. So if you're facing the camera and your eyes are looking down or maybe somewhere else, this option right here will make your eyes targeted towards the camera immediately. So you can apply that and basically look at the transcript to see where breaking the eye contact. So it would basically hover the places where you trip up. To edit that, you will simply need to go back to AI tools and then click on edit for clarity. And then you can adjust the edit intensity if you want it to be low, medium, or high. And you can use the AI speech right here by triggering this option and choosing a speaker. And then simply click on submit and wait for it to do the work for you automatically across the entire video, which will remove filter words, digressions, blather, and all of the obvious cuts. And now the last thing I will mention in detail is creating clips. So you would basically need to go to the AI tools and scroll down to create clips right here. Now this AI is basically trained on most viral worthy moments and can create clips that pop up from your long form content. So given that it has your own video uploaded here, you can select the number of clips you want to generate and the clip duration, and then you can select a layout for your clip. You can basically see more layouts and scroll and pick whichever one you like. And then you can describe the topic, which is optional, and then click on submit and wait for it to do the magic for you. Now I can't do nothing here because the video is like 5 seconds. And once you're done editing, you will basically click on the export button on the top right hand side and then select a destination, whether you want a web link or you want a local export or you want to directly export to YouTube. You can specify title, description, tags, and the access, whether public, private, or unlisted. You can also remove the watermark, but this requires a upgrade. You can as well export multiple format like audio, GIF, timeline, transcript, subtitles. And that's pretty much it in this video. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.